In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find your wallet address on Crypto.com. Stick around so you can safely receive crypto without confusion. Let's get started. First, go to Crypto.com and sign into your account using your email and passcode. Then, click the deposit button located at the top right corner of your dashboard. Now search for the coin or crypto you want the wallet address for. In this video, we'll use USDT as an example. Next, select the network you prefer, such as ERC20, TRC20, or BEP20. Just make sure it matches the network used by the sender. Now your wallet address and QR code will automatically appear. You can either copy the address or scan the QR code for easy access. Bonus tip: bookmark or label your wallet addresses if you regularly use specific networks. This saves time and avoids selecting the wrong network when receiving crypto. And that's how to find your Crypto.com wallet address. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more easy tutorials. See you next time!